Indonesia Biru Foundation has been going for around 3 years. We're involved in coral restoration, mangrove restoration and cleanups.
We actually want to educate people when they come to visit here. We will tell them about how important the coral and then how to protect them as well.
I think as humans, the way we share our information is by telling stories, like culture and knowledge and everything. It's how we thrive as a species. And we hope that we can inspire like the younger kids in the next generation to take this work on themselves. We go and scour the seabed around existing healthy coral reef. We pick up fragments that have snapped off or broken off. And if it's still healthy and alive, that goes in the basket and we tie on these fragments. We hope maybe within 5 years we can go out and see that the coral reef is looking a lot healthier here and it's kind of like grown over these spider structures. That's the idea. And this is kind of like the turning point. There's really no other choice, like we have to do something. Once you start to link the coral reefs and the ocean to the economy and people's livelihoods, and you know all the tourism that comes here, all the jobs that can generate, and food.
I will try to help the people that live in the area close with the beach. I will try to teach them how important the conservation for us, because education is something that we cannot stop. That's all.